Welcome back. I'm Joe, and today I'll be showing you my house, the property I live in Sattahip, Thailand. It's a very beautiful property. Come on in and let's check it out. I think you'll enjoy it. Right here is the smaller garden out front. And it leads right over to the walkway that goes to the back of the house on the side. And then over here we got my tool area. I had to stack that table on the stand and the stool on the table with a pedestal mount because my tripod broke, but I'll get new equipment soon. A bigger garden out front. And, got a nice beautiful mango tree. Got a pond that broke, so we turned it into a flower pot. And over here we got the spirit house. We got the wraparound porch that wraps around the house. It goes the whole way to the back. With a Louisiana style fan. It's real nice. We'll get back there in a minute. And before we go in, there's my beautiful Elizabeth and her sister Cranky, my scooter. All right, let's go in and check the house out. Come on into the house. Sorry if it's a little bit messy, but it's still a beautiful house. Nice sized living room. About 12 foot, 10 or 12 foot ceilings, air conditioning, TV. We got a bunch of art in here. That's my daughter's art. That's the wall of art, my favorite wall in the house. Real nice couch. It lays down into a bed. The back lays back down and the bottom pulls out and lifts up and you get a nice sized bed out of it. The other couch, that cushion folds down. You can lay two there plus one up there. Pretty cool. And the first bedroom is the first door by the front door next to the shoe rack. Pretty nice sized bedrooms. 10 or 12 foot ceilings, air conditioning, nice big bed, really nice sized room. On to the next. The second bedroom in the house is out by the kitchen door, and it's exactly the same size, air conditioning, nice sized bed. It don't get used much in here. My daughter's off at college. And then glass sliding door to get to the kitchen, keep the air conditioning in the living room. Nice sized kitchen. Got a miniature fridge, Dutch oven, we use it quite a bit. Stove top, little dish rack, sink, coffee pot. Nice open room, plenty of cupboard space. Got our water, the blender, the deep fryer machine, the sandwich maker. A miniature stove oven combo, but we don't ever use it. I want to start using it eventually. The two indoor bathrooms. This one's the shower room and that one's the toilet. And here we got the shower. It has a hot water heater right there. And the toilet we don't really use. Water reserve tub. Sink and little medicine cabinet. And in this bathroom, there's a shower head, but no heater. We don't use it. Toilet paper holder, bum gun, toilet, bin, no sink. Back out in the kitchen, we got the back door that leads out to the apartment and the office. There's the apartment door, a bathroom, and my office. Let's go into the apartment. There's 2 rooms in here. One slightly larger than the other. I guess you could use that more like the living room, living area. And that'd be more like the bedroom, but I just got a couple benches in there now. I'm gonna finish it up and make it like a little apartment for guests to stay in. Outdoor washer, thigh style. And then right here we got my office, the outdoor bathroom, and I got a little bit of storage out back. Got screens up on the roof. That's because the neighbor's mango tree is fruiting, and he had to trim the branches back because the fruit was dropping on the roof of my office, the bathroom, and the apartment. And he's an awesome guy. He gave us about 2 dozen mangoes. I was excited because my wife loves these green mangoes. But I got some really good neighbors here. I can't complain. The outdoor bathroom is a bucket toilet. We don't use it. As you can tell, it's kind of dirty in there. But it does work. You'd fill that up with water, use a bucket to flush it. Outdoor reserve tub for water. Come back around here, and that's where I store all my extra pots for planting flowers and whatnot. I'm going to come out here and give you a little farther away view real quick. My wife's rose and another water fountain that broke we made into a pot. Figure, why throw it away if we can put plants in it, right? Anyway, there's my office. We'll go in, check it out. It's a little dirty, but it's a work office. It's a man's cave. But now I keep some tools in here, some concrete. And right here's my desk where I edit all the videos. It's not much, but it gets the job done, so I can't complain. Now, back this way, where the porch wraps around the side of the house. This is where we spent New Year's Eve going into New Year's Day. And it was very awesome because it has the Louisiana style fan. And it has a light here and a light here. But it also got 4 recessed lights. So it was really beautiful. Back out here, you can see my mango tree in the front garden. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the property. I love this house here in Sattahip, Thailand. I look forward to seeing you next time. Like, subscribe, and thank you very much.